Hey guys, Jungle Explorer here, and today I'm going to be teaching you a recipe for cooking rice that my family learned from the Choco tribe, the natives in Panama. Now this is a unique way to cook rice that we've never seen anywhere else in the world, that we learned from the Chocos, and so we just call it Choco rice. And it's a very delicious rice. It's not that hard to make. I'm going to teach you how to make it right now, so let's get at it. You can use jasmine rice or long grain rice. There's really no difference there, except with the long grain rice, I recommend pre-washing the rice because long grain is a little more starchy than jasmine rice, and you need to use a little bit more water with long grain rice to cook it. Jasmine rice does not require pre-washing, and it needs a little bit less water. And we'll talk about proportions as we go along. Now in this pan, I've got already going some 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use the oil of your choice. We're going to fry off. I'm going to do this on the basis of 3 cups. We're going to do 1 cup of rice fried. We're essentially going to toast it off. And this is going to be 1/3 of our rice that we're going to toast off. So we'll just go ahead and put it in there. Now we need a nice hot pan. I recommend a pan with a thick bottom. This pan is pretty heavy duty. Cast iron pan sometimes can be good. Pans with thin bottoms tend to burn the rice unevenly, so you want kind of a thick bottom on it, okay? Now what we want to do is just let this rice, we're going to brown this rice off. This is 1/3 of the rice that we're using. We're going to put in 2 cups of plain white rice, non-brown, afterwards. So, okay, we can see the rice is getting brown. Now at this stage, it's very critical to be on top of it. You cannot let it set very long. The rice will burn extremely fast. So you just want it to set just a little bit. You almost have to keep it moving constantly because you want it to brown evenly. You don't want to end up with burned kernels. It's better to have a flat end spatula to do this so you can actually move the rice evenly all the way around. You just want to keep it in motion. You also want to have your other rice and some water ready, because once it gets to the right stage, you need to stop it immediately or it will burn. So have your other rice. I already have 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water ready to go in this in another pan as soon as it reaches the stage. Now, how much you brown the rice off is up to you. Some people would stop right about this stage because they like a lighter brown rice. I tend to like a little bit more toasty rice, and so I'll just keep moving it. And you can see it is browning fast, okay? Cannot let this sit still. Just keep moving it. I've got this long-handled barbecue spatula here because it is hot. Don't be doing this with a spoon because it is really hot in this pan right now. The heat coming off here is cooking my hand even though I'm 12, 15 inches above it. Okay? So look there, see how fast it's darkening up? Just keep it moving, keep it moving. You know, this is a good stage right about here to stop it. Some people would make it even darker, and you could do that if you want to. Depends on your own personal taste level how much you toast it off. So now this is dangerous because a lot of steam is going to shoot out of here, so keep your hand off the top, put a little water in, and that cools it right off. We've stopped the cooking process right there, and here's our other 2 cups of rice. Watch out for the water bubbling, and we have cooled it down. We want to stop it from frying, because if you don't do this, you're going to burn that rice, and then you'll have to start all over. Nothing tastes worse than a bunch of burnt rice. Okay, so now we'll just stir that in there. Now, 3 cups of water is not enough. When you're using jasmine rice, you're going to use about 3/5. On long grain rice, you use exactly the double amount of water as you put in rice. So if you put in 3 cups of rice, you're going to put in 3 cups of water. I mean 6 cups of water. But with jasmine rice, you need a little less. So I put in 3 cups of water already, and all I need is 2 more. So 3 cups of jasmine rice, 5 cups of water. If you use long grain, 3 cups of long grain rice, 6 cups of water. So I need to get 2 more cups of water and put in there, and we'll have enough water. There's my 2 more cups of water. All right, so we see it's boiling. We're going to go ahead and cover it. and turn the heat down just a little bit, down to about medium heat, and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, and you can see the rice has swollen up. There's still a little water in there. You can hear it boiling just a little bit. We're just going to turn it off and let the residual heat finish cooking the rice all the way, and then we'll be done. In about 10 minutes more of just sitting here, the rice will be fully cooked. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Choco rice from the Panamanian jungle. Right here, guys, this is some good rice. Just spoon that out, put it in there, okay? Just fluffy, and oh my gosh, oh, that smells so good. Now put a little rice in there. Now I also have over here from some of my secret recipe bean medley, which is a custom recipe that I have. And if you're interested in learning how to make this, there's only one place to learn how to make it. It's on my video on YouTube. So I'll throw a link up in the right hand corner that you can go and watch that. This right here is the best beans that you'll ever taste. We'll put some of that on top of there. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness, put some juice down in there. Whoa. And there we have it. That meal will keep you going through a hurricane. It's got everything in it. It's like a multivitamin on steroids. This is a super healthy meal. Won't make you fat. Just wonderful and tastes amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Remember, when you subscribe, click the little bell so you will be notified when I release more videos. Okay, guys? I thank you for watching. Until next time, this is the Jungle Explorer signing out.